Okay, good morning. It is Saturday morning. Got back from New York last night and Jen from Be Love Tan just came over to tan me. I just got like a darker glow. She actually came on Monday. She came and gave me like a nice natural glow for New York, and then she came today and gave me a darker glow for the wedding. So it's really great because she just comes to your house so you can like just wear a robe and chill. So I will link her Instagram down below. So I ordered an orange dress. If you saw my Instagram stories, I had like a vote on my story about what dress to wear. So I got the orange one and I ordered a size too small. I ordered a 0 instead of a 2. I couldn't breathe in the 0. My friends at Borrow It in Toronto, I like messaged them really late last night and I was like, I need a dress for tomorrow. So I am going in to them to get a dress for tonight. So I am heading out to grab a dress. I hate going out with a spray tan. You have no idea. Like, it just looks so, gotta do what you gotta do. I'm just wearing like really loose clothing. I'm gonna throw on my Vans. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Oh, my smooth. Basically, what Borrow It is a Toronto startup, and you can like rent dresses from them. So great sustainable way to get a new outfit for an event. Actually like lend your dresses to them and then they'll have them on their roster, and then when they get lent out you get paid. And honestly, like, who wants to spend hundreds and hundreds of dollars on different dresses for wedding season? This is like a great way to get a new outfit for every event that you have. Let's go. So I'm gonna start getting ready for the wedding now because it's our friend's sister's wedding. So Joey's going to the full wedding and I am going to the like after part, the like party part with all my friends. So yeah. Now, before I start anything, I have known that this wedding is coming up, obviously. So I'm in the middle of a teeth whitening cycle, and I'm gonna use the Crest 3D white strips with light. You guys know about these. I've talked about them a bunch on my channel, and Crest is sponsoring and collaborating with me on this video, so thank you guys very much. Because this was a video I wanted to do anyway. I wanted to get ready with you guys for the wedding. Basically with these, you just pop them on and the results can last up to 36 months. And it's just like a 10-day kind of cycle. I'm taking the top strip and the bottom strip. We're getting intimate. I'm just gonna leave those on while I do my makeup. I think that's like the easiest way to use them. So yeah, they're on. White teeth are super important to me. They make me feel super confident, and I feel the most confident when my smile is bright and white. You guys know this, and if you want more information on what I do to keep my teeth white, you can click the link in the iCards up here, and I will take you to my full teeth whitening video. So check that out if you want to learn how to get a white smile. And yes, I am coming back to you from sitting on my toilet. Just the best lighting for makeup, I don't know. First things first, we're priming the face with the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. Okay, for foundation, I kind of want to use just like the Juice Beauty, kind of feeling that, but I also, oh, this looks so light. So I'm gonna use the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation in the color 5.5 with the IT Cosmetics brush. On the website, this looked so dark, and then in person it looks so light, but then when you squeeze it out of the bottle it looks fine. So weird. It's actually a really nice color. It's like the perfect color for me. I'm like not at the age yet where I have to go to weddings all the time. I usually have like maybe one a summer, and it's usually like friends, sisters, or brothers getting married. But I feel like in the next like 2-3 years is when I'm gonna be at that age where you have to go to like 25 weddings per summer. But I feel like, I don't know if you guys feel the same, like I do watch a lot of YouTube. It's like why I started YouTube, because I loved it and because I actually watch it. It's like what I do in my spare time. But I feel like every YouTuber right now is like getting pregnant. It's pretty crazy. But that's probably just because I always watched YouTubers that are like 2 years older than me, and now they're all in that life stage. I want to go with like a really natural look, but the full coverage is just calling my name. So I'm doing the Tarte Shape Tape under my eyes. And then my skin is so good right now. It's like making my life. So just blending that out. I like to blend out the edges with the brush, and then I usually go in with my finger so that it kind of melts in. Oh, my camera's gonna die. We have a group chat going for the wedding, and it's just like blowing up right now. See what I mean? Like when you use your finger, it just kind of like melts in. So it looks a little more natural. I'm pretty sure I just got concealer right in my eyeball. I actually went with a really natural nail look because I really didn't feel like getting my nails done. So I just painted them clear. And I've been liking that natural kind of look. I guess I like that like every summer. Can you believe that I don't have to conceal any spots? Oh my god, it's like so not like me. I'm gonna set with my Glossier brush and my Laura Mercier translucent powder. Just setting the face part with this. My setup right now is so not professional. Then I'm gonna take the little one, the eye powder. I am going to charge this and then I'm gonna let these sit. When I get back, I will do the light. Okay, that break lasted way longer than expected. Okay, it is an hour after, so I'm taking the light and we're gonna get the top one first. So you do the top and the bottom. And now the bottom. Okay, I'm gonna take that off. You can literally see the difference. My teeth look so white. It's insane. First, I'm gonna take the Lorac Pro palette. I don't know what one this is. Oh, number 3. And I'm gonna put on just the canvas color here. I just think this is a nice base to start with while I decide what I actually wanna do with my eyes, because I'm actually not too sure. I'm wearing a red jumpsuit. Okay, so now I'm gonna take Sidecar from the Naked palette. Good old Naked palette. What a throwback. Honestly, this is such a good palette. Like, out of all the Naked palettes, that's definitely my favorite. And one of my favorite palettes, like, I just have in general. I think it has the most beautiful colors in it and just perfect, easy to travel with. So Sidecar is like a very light brown color. And I'm just gonna put that on the lids. This fluffy brush here, and I'm gonna take from the Naked palette again. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna take this color Medallion from the Lorac Pro palette. And I'm just gonna lightly dust this on the inner corner, inner part of the eye. But all the sparkle that we're gonna use on like a fluffier brush, so it's not too intense. I just want that like kind of wash of color. And then I'm gonna go in with Sidecar now. So Sidecar, I'm just taking like a generous amount on this fluffy brush, and I'm just dusting it along the eyes, and I think it creates like, this is one of my favorite looks. I think it creates like the most stunning finish. Like it's like a nice beautiful brown sheen. I'm obsessed. And I want it to be kind of messy, you know, like not like messy but not perfect. I want it to kind of look like it's a part of my eye, like my eyes have a natural shimmer on it. My dad is just sending me videos of Chloe. Like, I don't love Chloe as much as you do. He's obsessed with her, and I think she's cute, but I don't need videos like every 2 seconds. So I just think that creates like literally the most beautiful shine ever. Now I'm gonna go back in with a lighter one. This is Medallion. You know what? I'm gonna mix Almond Pearl with Medallion, and I'm gonna go in the inner corners here. I know, like, if you don't film YouTube videos, you know how annoying this is. Like, your phone will be quiet all day, and then as soon as you sit down to film a video, like, I don't know if you can hear that, but everyone is messaging you. I'm gonna go in with this Blanc color, mix it with canvas here, and I'm gonna do this under the brow to just kind of brighten it up. I just think it makes my eyebrows look a lot cleaner. Then I'm going back in with Sidecar a little bit and kind of blending it. I'm gonna finish up the eyes after I finish everything else. I just want to do a few more things to like touch them up, but I have the basic like idea. We're keeping it pretty natural like usual. Okay, I have to answer my dad because he's going crazy. Okay, this Soleil Tan de Chanel is like my favorite thing ever, and I was actually just in New York talking to Estee Lalonde, who is the sweetest human in the whole world. Like, I love her. We were talking, I asked her what was on her face, and she's like, oh, I have the Chanel Soleil tan on. And I was like, oh my god, me too, I brought it. She's like, yeah, it's a test to like how much I actually like the product, because it's huge, and if you want to travel with this, that means you obviously really like it. I'm just gonna warm my face up a little bit. Brush is really shedding it. It gets all in the product and I have to pick it out. So just putting light coats on and then building it up. My dad thinks I'm at the wedding right now and he still doesn't care. He's still just going at it with the texting. And then under the jaw, to create that nice jawline. Because the foundation is looking a little washed out, I'm just gonna add some to my nose area, which I know a lot of people don't do, but I have like the tiniest nose ever, so I don't contour. So I'm just gonna add some tan kind of around this area. Using Hoola to set the bronzer. This doesn't even really need setting, but since I'm literally gonna be wearing this for like 10 hours, setting it is just like an extra step. Have you guys heard the new the Yodeling Kids song? I honestly kind of like it. I used to really like country music, so like I can still get into it, and I honestly really like his song. Like I think it's so funny because it's like, all the year, what does he say? He says something like, all the things I've been dreaming about, like, for my whole life. I'm like, you've only been cognizant for maybe 3 years. Like, how old are you, 7? No, I'm gonna do blush. I bought Tarte Exposed. You guys know that I used to just, this is the only blush I used to use. And it was the VIB sale, so I can't open it. So I bought it. It's such a good color. It's such a good color. And I just think it matches every single makeup look ever. This is definitely like an all-time fave for me. I also, the night before I left for LA, I dropped my Fenty Beauty Universal Red on the ground in my bathroom, and it went everywhere. Like it looked like an actual crime scene. And you know how hard that is to get off? Oh my God, it was such a nightmare. And I was like in the middle of packing and I had to get up so early. And I'm so sad because I really, really wanted to wear that tonight. Such a good red, but I'm sure I have something else I can play with. Okay, I think I just put on way too much blush. Whatever. So I'm just gonna take the Naked color from the Naked palette and just put that right under the eye to kind of, you know, bring it together. Gonna take a little bit of the Sidecar, the sparkly color, add that right to the center bottom, and then I'm also gonna add that to the under corner right here. Okay, I need literally everyone. I think I say that like maybe 10 times a day. I need everyone to stop bothering me. Then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go back to the Lorac Pro palette. I'm gonna take the Cool Taupe color on this angled brush and I'm gonna create a really soft wing. I just personally like this. You could add a winged liner if you wanted, but I just like something really soft. I might actually need something a bit darker. Sorry, I'm actually gonna take the dark brown color that's right there, and I'm gonna use that because the other one was just a little too light. I mean, it doesn't do like that much, but just for someone like me who I have a more like roundish eye, and I really like almond eyes, so not that I don't like my eyes, I'm not saying that, I just to make my eyes look a bit longer. That's it. Okay, I like to add highlight after I set, so I'm gonna set my face with the Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. I just got a new one. Why are there 2 lids? Has anyone figured out why there's 2 lids yet? That's the good stuff. What highlight, not that you guys can vote, but I got the Tarte Exposed highlight, which you know is tried and true, and I love it, and I wear it all the time. I actually just ran out of it in Miami, I think, or LA. So this is a more gold highlight, like that. But I also, oh, I think they added a smell to that. It smells delicious. Benefit Dandelion highlight. I think I'm gonna try this one, and if I don't like it, I'll just add this on top because I've never tried this one before. Oh, I don't have a highlight brush. Damn. There's this brush that comes with it, which I don't usually do, but I don't have a highlight brush around me, and I'm like in a little contraption. See how many fucking products are here? Okay, so let's try this out. Okay, it doesn't look like it sticks to the brush that well. That's not a good sign. Okay. Oh, it's nice. Very natural. Like, not an intense highlight at all. Could be this brush. Can you see? Can you see that? It gives a pretty glow. I'm just gonna add some up here too. Down the bridge of the nose, always. I just had a panic attack. Oh my god, I think my camera stopped recording, but like I didn't know where. So anyway, and then I'm gonna put some on my finger and do my lip. Okay, I'm actually gonna set this one more time because that was very powdery. And then when that dries, we're going in with mascara, and you guys know L'Oreal Telescopic. Okay, so this is it for makeup. I am gonna add a lip color, but I want to get dressed and stuff before I do that, so I will come back to you when I want to add a lip color. Okay, so I put my red jumpsuit on, and I actually think I'm just gonna wear my hair in a ponytail. I'm like kind of liking it. I need to see how the back looks, but I think that this looks really nice, and it's an open back dress, so I think having your hair up is nice. So what I'm gonna do is add some hairspray. I'm also gonna add some of this like windblown stuff. I find it makes my bangs look good. In the end, it's not my wedding, so who really cares how I look, right? Okay, and here is the finished makeup and hair look. I really like it. It actually turned out way better than expected. I'm wearing like 3 different red lip colors right now, but I highly recommend you just check out the Fenty Beauty Universal Red if you want a good lip color. But I just like mixed a bunch together to create this. Hair, and then I'm wearing my jumpsuit. I'm gonna try to get a better photo of my jumpsuit and outfit. Hopefully there's good lighting somewhere. But I really am happy with the way this makeup turned out. Yay!
Wow, a vlogception. Just when you think you've seen it all, they think of a vlogception. Shout out to Yelp Wi-Fi.